Unit 1, Target 3. I can convert metric measures into bigger or smaller units. This is where we use the chart that we used in science class. We used King Henry Drinks Mini Delicious Chocolate Milks. And the first letter of each of those words stands for kilo, hecto, deca. Meters, liters, or grams can go here. Deci, centa, and milli. We use those just to kind of help us keep it in the right order. If we were converting 570 centimeters and we want to know how many meters that is, we're going to come over to the centimeters. We're going to start with 570 in the centimeter spot. Now all we do on this is we move our decimal. Right now there is no decimal, so we think of it as a period at the end of the sentence. So 570 centimeters, and we want to go to meters. So centimeter to meter is back twice. So we move our decimal to the left twice, and our decimal is now in between the 5 and the 7. 570 centimeters is 5.7 meters. We could put the 0 on there at the end, but we don't have to. The second example, if we have 88 liters and we want to go to kiloliters, this time we're starting right here, and we're going back 1, 2, 3 to kiloliters. Again, I have no decimal, so it's like a period at the end of my sentence, and I move it backwards 1, 2, 3 spots. Now I have an empty spot, so I'm going to put a 0 there. And my answer, my decimal is now right here. My answer is 0.088 kiloliters. In the third example, we have 55.5 grams. That goes in the meter, liter, gram spot, so we will start here. And we are changing it to milligrams. That's to the right. It'll be to the right 1, 2, 3 jumps. We start at our decimal, and we go to the right 1, 2, 3 times. We have 2 empty spots, so we put zeros in there. My decimal's now at the end. So 55.5 grams is the same as 55,500 milligrams. In the final example, we have 0.4 meters, so we will start in the meter spot. And we are changing to millimeters. MM is millimeters, just M is meters. So we go to the right 1, 2, 3 times. We start at the decimal, move it to the right 1, 2, 3 times. I have 2 empty spots. I'll put 2 zeros. My decimal is now right here. I do not need this 0, so I can just put 400. 0.4 meters is the same as 400 millimeters.